Good afternoon. From the For the CME, this is Chris Robinson with your Traders Exclusive comment for today, the 28th day of July. One more business day in the month, and then we start a new month and a new quarter. So what are we looking at in the grains? You've got to be focused on tomorrow, the 29th. USDA report. There are reports every month. This is one of the bigger reports of the year. How big? I looked at a 5-year average. And over the last 5 years, this report produced a 22-cent move on average in corn and a 44-cent move on average in soybeans. Now, granted, that goes back 5 years when we had much higher prices, $14 beans, $5 corn. However, if the percentage moves stay the same, it still lines up all of the indicators. It's possible to have a big move tomorrow. So what do? The market's just had a tremendous sell-off, right? Soybeans broke $2 near a 2-year low. Corn broke 70 cents off its 1-year high to about almost a 2-year low. So the market's very oversold. Ditto for wheat. Wheat lost about $1 and is at a 5-month low. So the market has gone from being bulled up at the beginning of the summer with a lot of money bet the long side. All that money's been chased out now. They've now flipped. That flip not only cost those guys quite a bit of money, but also for producers that weren't hedged, you potentially, have lost a lot of money on paper when you lose 70 cents a bushel on corn, $2 a bushel on soybeans, and $1 a bushel on wheat. So what I would say, well, how do you go into this report? Since nobody knows if it's going to be bullish or bearish, obviously, it's a very expensive coin flip. Typically, the numbers seem to be oversold, but there's an old expression: the market can remain irrational for a long, long time before sometimes it wakes up. So that being said, big report day tomorrow. How do you play it? I would say most guys are going to be doing some sort of a straddle where they're going to have an out-of-the-money call and an out-of-the-money put. If we have a big move, one of those positions will pay off. So take a look at doing that. If you don't know what that is, you really need to educate yourself. You should not be playing these markets if you don't have a basic understanding of, where your risk is and where your reward is. And if you're looking for help, that's exactly what I do. So that's about it. Very big report tomorrow. The markets are very oversold. Doesn't mean they can't get more oversold. And we'll see. Tomorrow we're going to get the final acres. And we're also going to get an update on supply and demand. And we'll see how the market digests that. Right now, the boat is leaning very, very hard to the sell side. And when that happens, sometimes you get a snap back, sometimes you don't. But a big report day tomorrow, lots of opportunity, and I'll leave it at that. Again, this is Chris Robinson. Have a great day.